All right, now that we've taken a little time to make these components unique up at the top, and we have also checked out some different options for modeling these side windows, I'm going to show you another way to evaluate a new design option in the place of this window. Go ahead and right-click on any one of these windows and select the option for Reload. The Reload option gives you the ability to see what another component might look like in the place of this window. Now, first we're going to need to navigate to the Components folder within your SketchUp directory. To do that, go ahead and click on My Computer, then go to the local disk or the C drive, double-click on that, then go to Program Files, double-click on that, then double-click on the Google folder, double-click one more time on the SketchUp 6 folder, and lastly, we found the Components folder up here at the top. Go ahead and double-click on that. Now, we have several folders here. There's an architecture all the way down through transportation. And here's where we just need to figure out where the component is that we're looking for. In this case, we're looking for another window option, so let's double-click on the architecture folder. Once inside the architecture folder, all of these files here are just SketchUp files. And you can get previews of what each of them are by just single-clicking and looking over to the right. If you go down to Window Double Hung 35 by 68, click on it once, and you'll notice you have a preview of what this window looks like. This is what we're going to use for our Reload option, so go ahead and click Open. You'll notice that in your file now, that window or that component has been loaded in the exact same place as the other window. Now it reloaded all of them because, again, remember, all of these components are just instances of one another. This is a pretty handy way to check out a new design option for this space. But let's say we want our old window back. Go ahead and right-click on one of these windows and select Reload. It'll let you know that the component file has not changed and ask you if you want to replace it. Go ahead and click Yes. Now, when Mike originally made that window, that first window, he used the component browser to drag it from InModel up to the architecture sample. So that means that we have that file saved here in the architecture folder. Go ahead and find where you typed window, or whatever you named your window, and select that option. You'll see the preview. It'll let you know you have the right thing. Then go ahead and click Open, and it'll reload your window right back where it was. So this is a pretty cool way to evaluate new design options in SketchUp. Now, the Reload option is useful for Windows, but let's say we want to reload something else in the model. Remember, the Reload option works whenever you want to reload one component with another. So let's try something more fun. Go up to the skylight, right-click on it, and select the option for Reload. Go ahead and click Yes. This time, let's go back from the architecture folder into the components folder, and let's pick something weird. Try opening the landscape folder, and let's pick this pine tree here. Go ahead and click Open, and if you scroll back, it's kind of weird. You have these trees that are now planted on your roof, but it's important to note you can reload any component with any other component using this option.